Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the American Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on the flight status button down below. Then you can search by so you can select from two options. So you can either search by the city or airport. So select your departure point, and after that you will be able to select the destination city and airport, and then you should select the date, and after that click on the search button and you will be able to check the status of that particular flight. Or the other option is that you search by the flight number, so tap on the flight number button at the top of this section, and after that you should select the date, click on the done button, and then type in the flight number, and after that click on the search button, and you are going to be able to select from the relevant flights. So you are going to be able to check out its status. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.